What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we've got another Genesis GV60 at the studio, but this time it's in for the ultimate level of protection, Xpel Ultimate Fusion Full Car PPF. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like rating, and let's get on with the video.
And now a word from our sponsors.
So then, guys, today's video actually isn't sponsored. However, whilst I've got your attention, I might as well remind you about the 2,000 subscriber giveaway, where one of you could be getting our Wax is Dead Ultimate 10-year ceramic coating package completely free of charge. So what do you need to do to enter? Look on screen now. You should be able to see the 4 simple steps. 1, whilst you're on our YouTube channel now, subscribe to it, head over to our Lamborghini Huracan Evo video and comment done in the comment section of that video. Once you've done that, head over to our Instagram, make sure you're following us and Wax is Dead, and then tag 3 friends on the Lamborghini Huracan Evo post. Once you've done that, you will be entered and you could be getting £1,500 worth of detailing completely free of charge. Now I've reminded you, let's get back on with the video. Right then, so this Genesis GV60 was decontaminated outside the studio and we've poured it inside the bay. We've had the team over from Xpel down here for the past week to come out and template the car, as the last GV60 we had in was one of the first that they've seen in the country. So last time they came down and only did the front bumper for the car, as that's what the customer requested. However, this car is having full car PPF. So they've been around the entire car now and templated that, and that's been uploaded onto their fantastic Xpel DAP software. So now the templates are on the system, we can go ahead and start applying the film. so if you didn't know about the benefits of PPF, one of the main benefits is it's the only real way to stop any scratches or stone chips on your car. So you don't have to worry about getting any minor marring marks when you're washing your car, as it's self-healing. That should heal straight out with a bit of heat. Other than that, the new film, the Xpel Ultimate Fusion, comes pre-ceramic coated, so you get all of those lovely hydrophobic properties, as well as it makes those maintenance washes a lot easier. If you wanted to get your car protected and you wanted to know the rough prices, just give us a call and we can talk you through the options available, whether you're only wanting the front end PPF or the full car. We've got full coverage for most cars on the market at the moment, so just get in touch and we can talk you through the options available. Right then, so that's this Genesis GV60 now complete at the studio. It's had full car XPEL PPF, so on the gloss areas of the car, it's had XPel Ultimate Fusion, the pre-ceramic coated film, and then on the satin areas of the car, which goes along the entire car, so here on the wheel arch, side skirts, it's got a lot of satin areas on the car, so they've all been protected with XPEL Stealth. This just remains the satin finish from factory, as it should, as if you did apply any of the other variants of XPEL film, they would go glossy, and that defeats the purpose of getting it satin from the factory. If you are looking for something similar on your car, don't hesitate to get in touch and we can talk you through the options available for your car. If you have enjoyed this week's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We are trying to reach 2,000 subscribers and we are getting closer, so make sure to subscribe and we'll catch you in the next one.